Hi! Content localization enables businesses to reach global audiences by adapting videos into over 75 languages with high accuracy. This enhances engagement, improves customer experience, and boosts conversions by making content culturally relevant and accessible. Translation videos are becoming increasingly popular as more and more people seek to share their content with a global audience. With AI localization, Elai ensures seamless translations, voiceovers, and lip syncing, saving time and costs while maintaining quality. Take advantage of easy videos localization. Follow this straightforward step-by-step guide to translate your videos with just a click. Go to the Videos section, choose the video you want to translate, and pick the translation icon right from the list. Select the language you want to translate your project into from a wide variety of options. Click Translate and get a full-fledged translated version of your video. All the slides will be translated into the required language. Using Elai, you can quickly and accurately translate the spoken content of a video into a variety of different languages. This means that you can easily reach a wider audience and share their message with people from all over the world.